The third type is the first question of third type. Third type is the stability of resonating structure directly proportional to the number of octet completion atoms. That means CH2 positive, CH double bond, Cl negative. So this is the species given. Now in this, the positive charge double bond conjugation is there, it will move, structure will be CH2 double bond CH and Cl, lone pair is there. So here you may clearly observe this again taking place, the again, and in between these two structures you may clearly observe that in this molecule, this carbon, this chlorine, every atom has completed its octet, but in the first one this carbon doesn't complete its octet, a positive charge is there. That's why this structure is more stable than this one. Clear? So this structure is more stable, right? Now the next question, second question is, let's take CH2 positive NH2, right? A lone pair is present on the nitrogen atom, positive charge, lone pair sigma, positive charge comes here, and the second species will be CH2 double bond NH2 and a positive charge on the nitrogen atom. So beta, in this species has nitrogen carbon octet completed there, but in this species the carbon doesn't completed its octet. That's why this species is more stable than this species, more stable, right? So now beta, move to the fourth type. The stability of resonating structures is directly proportional to the negative charge on more electronegative atom or positive charge on less electronegative atom. Let's some questions. So the fourth type, the first question is, first question, let's take here this double bond oxygen and here is negative charge. So beta, in this the negative charge sigma bond double bond conjugation is there, so the delocalization takes place and the next species forms is negative and here double bond and here oxygen. So beta, in between these two structures, this again move to this, in these two structures in this structure the negative is on carbon atom, and in this structure, resonating structure, the negative is on oxygen atom, and oxygen is more electronegative than carbon, and that is the rule that the negative charge on more electronegative atom is more stable resonating structure. So here oxygen gets the negative charge and here the carbon gets the negative charge. So oxygen gets the negative charge, oxygen is more electronegative, so this species is more stable, right? Now come to the second question. The second question is CH2 negative COH and this will takes place and the next species will be CH2 C oxygen negative and hydrogen. Here is the double bond, right? But in these two species the double bond is same, one double bond, but charge separation is there and the negative charge is on carbon atom and in this negative charge is on oxygen atom. Oxygen atom is more electronegative than carbon atom. So this is the rule. So more electronegative atom, the species which has negative charge on more electronegative atom will be more stable. That's why this species is more stable than this one, right? Now move to the next question, third question. The third question I am going to take is R, CO and NH2, and here is the negative charge. Negative charge, sigma bond, pi bond, conjugation, resonance taking place, and the next species will be R, C, oxygen, NH and double bond. So here oxygen has negative charge. So beta, in this again this takes place and this form. So in these two species, in this species oxygen gets negative charge, in this species nitrogen gets negative charge, and nitrogen is less electronegative than oxygen atom. So that's why the charge which present on oxygen atom is more stable. Negative charge on more electronegative atom is more stable, right? Okay, these are the question on the basis of the fourth type. Now move to the fifth type. Fifth type, first question is there. On the basis of fifth type, the first question is oxygen, hydrogen, double bond, double bond. Lone pair is present. Here comes conjugation is there. Resonance will take place. Negative charge on this carbon. Here comes oxygen, hydrogen, and here is the double bond. Here is the positive charge. Now next, this movement takes place, and the next species formed is negative charge. Here is the double bond, here is the double bond and positive charge, right? So beta, in these three resonating structures you may clearly observe that the first one doesn't have the charge separation, right? And the first is this 1 upon charge separation. That means the molecules which have charge separated are less stable. So this is, first one is more stable. The first is more stable. Now move to the second and third type. Second and third type, charge separation is there, and between the charge separation the distance arises. Here the charge separation is at this distance, here the charge separation is at more distance. So in this, more close opposite charges are more stable. That means positive and negative more close in this species, and in this species the opposite charges are more distant. That means the second species are more stable than the third species, right? Got it? Now move to the this C, oxygen, hydrogen, CH, double bond. So this is the given species. Now the second form of this is the movement of pi electrons takes place, and this movement takes place, and the second species will be CH, double bond, CH, C, oxygen, hydrogen, and a positive charge given on this and a negative charge comes on this. Now these pi electrons movement takes place, the species given is CH, single bond CH, positive charge on this, and double bond C, oxygen, negative, and hydrogen. So beta, three resonating structures are given. So the first one doesn't have charge separation, that means the first one is more stable. The very first thing is the first is more stable, right? Now move to the between the second and third. These have the charge separations, and the opposite charges are more close in this species, second, and the opposite charges are more distant at the third species. So more close opposite charges are more stable than the third one. So this is the resonating structures, stability order, right? Next move to the last type, that is sixth type. But one thing I would like to say you, I am making your concept crystal clear with the help of suitable examples and questions are there. So please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel Brilliance Academy. This channel is Brilliance Academy, so please subscribe the channel. More videos are there. I will make more videos on miscellaneous questions on different topics. So please, the first thing you must do, that is like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Please. Thank you.